YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video. And today I just got my off-white in, so we're gonna unbox these, and I also have this t-shirt in too, so I'm gonna unbox that too. So basically like a mini haul. I also got my studded belt. I'm gonna bring that up in here, but I got a studded belt too, so I'm gonna do like a basically unboxing video, but it's mainly about these shoes right here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And I know my hairline is clapping right now, but I'm gonna get a haircut Saturday, so just don't pay too much attention to that. So let's go ahead, open up the first package. Let's go. All right, if you hear any background noise, just ignore it, but because the TV's on and my brother's like super loud. So first, here's the studded belt right here. This is calm, you know. I got a BB belt, so but I just wanted this one too because I like the way it looked. Like I can wear this with my True Allegiance and then like the V studded belt too. All right, never mind. I'll just take whatever. I'm rambling right now. But first, let's go ahead, open up this t-shirt. I got this. I'm not telling y'all where I got this from. I'm gonna keep it actually. But I need these for that. Alright, so go ahead. Boom, boom, boom. Open this up. Alright, so here it is right here. We have, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Alright. It's an I Heart t-shirt. Let's go ahead, open this up. So the quality feels averages. Yeah, this t-shirt quality is kind of trash, low key. Hold on, can y'all see it? All right, there, I can see it. See, look, is this a plain t-shirt? I love Latinas. Any Latinas, get at me, slide on my DMs. I'm gonna respond in like 2 seconds. So, you know, this is a calm t-shirt that'll give me all the Latina girls, hopefully. But yeah, cool little t-shirt right here. I picked this up. It was $20. I'm not telling y'all where it's from, or you know what? I'll tell y'all where it's from. I'll put the where I got it from in the description or in the comments. I'll tell you the shop. The shipping was like a week or so, or a week or two. Wasn't not bad. Pretty average quality. Like a screen print or something. But yeah, this cool little t-shirt. Throw it to the side. Let's go ahead and get into the package that y'all have been waiting for the most. I'm a little bit sick, so I don't know if I sound sick or not, but yeah, I'm a little sick. But let's go ahead, open this up. I'm excited. I don't even know how much, man. I don't even remember how much I paid. I don't even want to remember how much I paid for these, low key. I can't even open this. Gotta focus. Gotta lock it in. All right, here we go, right there. Boom. Go ahead, put this back. Ah, let's go. All right, hold on. My dreads. All right. Alright, so can y'all see? Can y'all see? So we have the little paper that go always puts in our shoes. And there it is. Hold on. And there it is right there. We have the almighty off-white box. So go ahead. Put this out. Okay. Oh my goodness. No way, dude. Oh my gosh, Goat is selling me right now. They gave me a damaged box. Oh, no, it's not damaged. Never mind. I'm just tweaking out. I just gotta put the little things together. See, look right there. I just gotta put those. But here it is right here. It got little holes all around. Little check, off-white, size 10, holes all around, and then like little duct tape. And there it is right there. And famous check. The lots, lot 1, 2, 3. Etc. And it goes all the way to 50, lot 50. Y'all can see that. Hopefully I'm getting the angles right. So I got lot 15. You can see it right there. I really hope you guys can see that. I can't tell, but then right there on the sticker it says Team Nike Sportswear, location WHQ Beaverton, Oregon. Beaverton, Oregon. I think it's like Nike headquarters or whatever. And then yeah, pretty much useless stuff. So let's go ahead, open up this lid. Boom. Man, this should be good. Wait, did I just drop something? Yo, what the heck? I swear to God, there's a Goat sticker. Where did it just go? I don't even know. Where did it just go? What? Where did it go? I think I'm tweaking right now. Anyways, here's a little wrapping paper right here. And a countdown. Let's get a countdown. Let's start from 5. All right, 5, 4. We got the off-white thing right there. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So first thoughts off the bat. These are cool. Damn, why these look so big? Or am I just tweaking? Nah, they straight. Yeah, these are cool. I like these. I just got these because I like the pink and the purple. Oh my, I don't like the neon green right there and the green right there. That's terrible. They should have did like, they should have did another color than neon greens. But it's cool though. Mine are suede. I know the other ones come with leather or patent leather, but mine are suede. It's just easier to clean. I don't really like how patent leather looks. So let me go ahead and get the other one. I still don't know where that ghost sticker went. Yeah, where is the ghost sticker at actually? Bro, what? I'm gonna find them after I finish recording, but yeah, here they are, right here. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, look, I know a little Spanish, so stop playing with me. But here are the insides right there. Boom, boom, boom. And then there are the backs. And hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna show y'all the tongue. Gotta make sure I'm still recording. All right, so here are the tongues right here. I know I got acne too. Just don't mind that either. I've been like hella stressed because of school. But here's the tongue right here. Got little holes in it. And then the insoles got the little face in there. I don't know whose face it is, but yeah, little face. Made in Vietnam. Thank you for whoever made this. Shout out to you. So then we got little purple locks, lace thingies all around. And yeah, cool shoe. This is, I paid way too much. I gotta check how much I paid, and I'll probably put like a screenshot on my order right here, right there. I think I paid way too much for these. I think I paid like shit, like 600 or something like that. I paid entirely too much, but it's cool though. Nice calm shoe. Hey, this will go on my vape hoodie, but I feel like that's like a hype beast. Yeah, that's like a hype beast outfit, low key. Shit, oh well. Hype beast Kelly the Kid. But I'm gonna go ahead and get an on-foot camera so I can see what these look like on feet. I'm wearing my essential jogging pants right now, so I might, they don't match. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get an on-foot camera so I can see what these look like on feet. Let's get it. All right, so they're right here on feet. I got my essential jogging pants on right now. I custom cut these right here, as you can tell. I know I could just got the flare or the straight leg pants, but I got the one with a little cuff on the bottom, and I didn't like that, so I just cut them. Cause I don't like my pants like with little scrunchy thing at the bottom. But here they are right here. Got the little zip tie that I'm definitely gonna keep on right there. And then we have the shoelaces, quote unquote. And then the little purple things. Got the suede. Look, the leathers. Look, it's already creasing. Like what in the world? It's already creasing. That's crazy. But here, look. Oh, look like the little midsole has like little edge look to it. Kinda, sorta. And then here's a little green tab. That green parts. But yeah, cool shoe. I like the little silver on the inside. That's pretty cool. Shiny. But yeah, other than that, not much to it. Just a regular. Just another shoe in the collection, for real. I'm not getting too excited no more. But that's how you know I got a lot of shoes. But hold on, let me get thumbnail. All right, so yeah, this is a cool shoe. I like the way these do look. I might, yeah, just check my TikTok. I'm probably making a styling outfit with these soon. Probably tomorrow. I'm definitely wearing these to school tomorrow. Bring my Easy Slides just in case I gotta walk on dirt, cause my school is in the middle of nowhere. So, oh yeah, let me show the tongue. Here's the tongue right here. It's made of styrofoam. I mean, not, or memory foam. I don't know, whichever foam that is. But yeah, I just like this colorway. Cool, calm shoe. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications for more for more videos, and like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Turn it on. Check my TikTok because I'm definitely styling these a lot. So just stay tuned. Thank you for watching all the way. Peace out. Have a good night. We out.